to my channel. Today we are going to draw Hello Kitty. Get your Sharpie.
Yes, Harper.
And then draw the oval feet quite diagonal. Oval. This one facing
Why is it
this way.
so big? Up,
And
up.
the
Up
other
in a
one.
balloon. It's like up.
Up, it's a mama. Oh my gosh, that's so low.
But it's supposed to be touching the floor.
What?
Then it's floating up. Why don't you do yours on a cloud?
No. Now draw this part. And then draw
Look,
this.
what are you doing under there?
Of this.
Look.
Underwear.
Hey, you said underwear.
Good one. Okay, now there.
My class people know that joke. That wasn't a joke, but
Now, do you want to draw some buttons here?
yes.
Okay, but wait, before you draw it, you have to draw the teddy bear.
No, I'm gonna draw a teddy bear on my head.
Well, I'm going to draw the teddy bear over here.
Let me just draw the buttons. Drawing. I mean, I am gonna do yours, but before I'm gonna do these.
My one is so small.
It's a small teddy. Teddies are so
And now just go like this and then like this.
Okay, so a hand up.
Hand up saying hello.
Her arms are very short.
Very.
One of my
Yours
friends
looks like-
love Hello Kitty. Yeah, you know that guy. Don't say who that guy is. I mean, it's not a guy.
It's a girl.
Who used to be in my school, who left the school. It's a different school.
That's so cute. Now we're going to draw the face.
Not a big fat chubby head.
What I just did.
I don't like big fat chubby heads, Mom.
And stop there for the ribbon. Stop there for the ribbon, okay?
Yeah, well,
And
can
this
I do stripes to decorate this?
No, because Hello Kitty doesn't have stripes.
But she sometimes has stripes.
I know, but she's not in that costume. And stop there for the ribbon. Stop there for the ribbon. Okay, now draw this part. And draw here. Okay, that's good. Now what do you...
I mean, the eyes. Eyes?
no.
Nose?
No.
Whiskers.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Well,
1.
let me tell you a fact about her whiskers. One is long, one is short. One is long. One is long, one is short. One is long.
but not that long.
And then now we're going to draw the eyes near to the whiskers and colour them in.
And then I'll draw the nose.
You draw them very quickly. Get your colours out. What do you think we're going to colour in first?
The top.
The top?
I mean this part. Yeah, that top. I'm gonna do stripy patterns. Oh, but I love stripy.
Wait. Think about what you want to add to it, but not stripy patterns, okay?
No. But stripy pattern, that's the only pattern she does.
Not patterns.
Never mind, nothing. I'll just color it in. And my, that's why I cover my eyes, yeah? You know. Let's get red, actually. I'm gonna do what I color. Why don't we just color in what we want to?
Oopsie, I lost my balance. Oh wait, why is mine orange?
Why are you leaning backwards? You push me backwards, bro. Yeah? I'm not a bro. You are, bro, yeah. Somebody in school called me bro. In my next door class. What that was? No, it was a girl, bro. Okay, we both can't be with. She said, bro. Bro. She's just trying to be. Oh, yeah, I have to put my teddy bear on the head. Ricky. And then just the nose, and then just the tail. We don't have the colour on the tail. Well, I have it. You gotta wait. You don't do the nose yet.
Yeah, well, you gotta wait.
Okay. Ooh, rolling. Oh yeah, why did I put the bracelet on one?
What do you mean bracelet?
Bracelet, this one, this one.
Yeah.
She made it. She made it. Look, everybody, look. It's a 3D one.
No. For the last thing, let's write Hello Kitty.
Isn't that must be handwriting? You can write like me.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Bye-bye.